Hi everybody, Danielle Black from Blackbird Reviews here with my Eezeytraffic review. I hope everybody is doing well. I am on the Eezeytraffic sales page and I will go through this. I'll quickly go through this. This is going to not be a very long review, but I'll go through this and show you what Eezeytraffic has to offer. But basically, in a nutshell, Eezeytraffic is an automated traffic getting software tool that makes it easy to get unlimited buyer traffic from over 24 sources, such as like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, possibly ClickBank, but anyway, 24 plus sources. And that brings traffic to your links, your offers, your sales funnels, your pages, etc. Now, to go along with this, I have put together some custom free bonuses for you that work hand in hand with Eezeytraffic and what you will learn and the software that you're going to get with Eezeytraffic. Now, if this interests you, feel free to click the link in the description box below this video. Once you click that link, it'll bring you to my bonus page here. And I will explain what my bonuses are in just a second. But I just wanted to make note that you will want to pick this up if you're choosing to pick up Eezeytraffic. You'll want to pick it up before the countdown on my timer reaches 0, because when it does, all of the bonuses that I'm going to be offering with this link and the vendor bonuses, their launch will be ending. So you may want to pick this up sooner rather than later, should you choose to pick it up. Now, if you click the link below, these are the bonuses, the custom bonuses that I've put together to work with your Eezeytraffic software and training. So the first one is a window-based software that is super simple to use. It basically just asks you some questions, you fill in the answers, and the page is saved to your hard drive, which you then can put on your playlist site, so your YouTube site. And if you are getting Eezeytraffic, then you will need somewhere to pull that traffic from. And YouTube videos are a huge source of traffic and income for affiliate marketers. So with this software, you'll also get 13 but bootstrap themes, or you can use your own themes, replacing the patterns in behind the main videos. It holds up to 50 videos per site that you can place in a carousel or a shuffle. So that is the first bonus. So you get a free software along with Eezeytraffic. The second bonus that I'm offering is a video course teaching you how to build a proper business plan. So now that you have the Eezeytraffic software, you've got the training on how to bring traffic to your links, you will want to create a business plan to get you to set goals and get you to the goals that you have set. Now, usually without an actual plan, most people tend to lose focus. They don't stay on track. They get overwhelmed. So this tutorial will teach you how to actually grow your successful business. And the third bonus that I'm offering is another software, my ad software. So this is software to easily and quickly insert rotating ads on your pages or your sites. Now, this is good because if to pay for sites, sometimes you do need to put ads on your pages. And sometimes if you have lots of ads, it takes up the space from the actual content that you want to put on there. So this is great because instead of taking up space on your pages with ads, it'll rotate through your ads, leaving more room for the actual content that you want to put on your page or your site. And the fourth is all the vendor bonuses, which I will talk about in just a moment. Now, to get all of this stuff, the Eezeytraffic, my bonuses, the vendor bonuses that I'm going to explain in just a moment, The least amount of money that you would have to pay would be $16.01. That's the front end price. So for $16.01, you will get the software, the app, step-by-step training, a fast start guide to have you up and running and getting traffic as fast as possible, plus my three custom bonuses and the vendor bonuses that I will show you right now. So these are the bonuses that Eezeytraffic is offering with their software. So the first bonus is a comprehensive tutorial on how to make $1,000 a day. This is a live training tutorial. Second bonus is video training. Oh, sorry, my mouse has gone all wrong. The second bonus is video training. And it shows you exactly a video training on exactly how to succeed with Eezeytraffic. The third bonus is agency license. So you'll get the license rights to the software, which means that you can help other people get buyer traffic and get paid and use the software. Bonus number 4 is 24/7 premium support from their best supporters. And bonus number 5 is a case study on generating $100 a day. So those are the 5 vendor bonuses that you will get if you choose to pick up Eezeytraffic via the link, which is down below this video. Now, I will go through this sales page. A lot of it is repetitive. Sales pages tend to be repetitive, but I will quickly go through this. I'll just finish up talking about the prices. So as I said, for $16.01, you can get Eezeytraffic, my custom free bonuses, as well as the vendor bonuses. Or should you choose to upsell, you can get Eezeytraffic Unlimited for $37, and that's where you can create an unlimited amount, all limits removed from Eezeytraffic. You get unlimited money streams, more server resources, so you can get results 6 times faster, access to premium support, and more bonuses. Upsell number 2 is Eezeytraffic Automation for $47, and this is an AI automation service to do the work for you, to set and forget your traffic, your leads, and your sales machines. Upsell number 3 is Eezeytraffic Done For You Setup. This is where you will get 100 premium prizes to give away to your customers so that you can attract more traffic. You get 7 different emails for 10 products along with 70 separate marketing emails. Excuse me. You get guaranteed approval and 100% commission on 10 high converting products. Upsell number 4, Eezeytraffic Done For You campaigns for $47. I'm actually out of breath. There's a lot of upsells. So upsell number 4, the Done For You campaigns for $47. That is where you can get all of the top campaigns of the vendors for you to sell as your own. Upsell number 5, Eezeytraffic Done For You traffic for $197. They will get the traffic for you. Upsell number 6 is Eezeytraffic Reseller for $47. This is where you can resell the product, make 100% commissions and affiliate materials. Eezeytraffic Membership for $27 is where you get Warrior Plus Saver membership, access to past products and more products added throughout the month, available on a monthly membership. Upsell number 8 is Eezeytraffic 1K Gold Mine for $27. So this is unlimited Done For You, high converting website sales pages, funnels, landing pages, and inbuilt hosting for you. Some more key benefits that you might be interested in getting as well. Traffic and sales without any tech skills. It's brand new software. You get step-by-step training, unlimited buyer traffic to your offers. It's fully automated, 100% beginner friendly, and they have a rock solid 180-day money back guarantee should you not be pleased, which would be surprising should you not be pleased with the product. And these are all of my bonuses below. So when you click the link below, it'll bring you to my bonus page, as I said. And you click on any of these orange buttons to bring you to the sales page of Eezeytraffic, where you can go ahead and pick up Eezeytraffic by hitting one of their orange buttons. Now, you will have to go to your Warrior Plus account and look under your purchases, your purchase history, and click on Eezeytraffic, because then you will be sent, or a receipt will pop up, and you're looking for the Access Affiliate Bonus button on the bottom of your receipt. When you click that button is when you will get access to all of the custom bonuses. I keep saying vendor instead of custom. All of my custom free bonuses, as well the vendor as the bone. Can't speak tonight, apparently. When you click that blue button, you will have access to all of my custom free bonuses, plus the vendor bonuses, immediately sent to you and completely free of charge, along with Eezeytraffic that you will be picking up. So quickly, I'll go through the sales page. So as I said, you'll be brought to this sales page. You'll get a little bit of an introductory video, some more information. That's I actually had put all this on my bonus page. 2 simple steps: get Eezeytraffic for 1 low payment, and then click your mouse 1 time, and Eezeytraffic will send you automated free buyer traffic from over 24 sources. So here's some screenshots of income, some more buyer traffic examples. Let's see. Yeah. You probably don't want to just watch me scroll through, but you also will be able to scroll through these as well. Here's some more earnings, steady stream of buyer traffic, worth $20,000. Their software they are claiming, and you're getting it for $16.01. Some more repetitive information, one-time payment. These are the major affiliate networks that you can send traffic to. Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, Pay.com, Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, private offers, anything. And that I've already talked to you about. It's perfect for all kinds of different people. It's a very long sales page. What you do with the money that you bring in through Eezeytraffic. It's all about freedom. And you don't necessarily have to be selfish with the money that you make, but you can replace your lost income from the pandemic, donate, help out a friend or family. Maybe, you could treat yourself, get a new car. So these are all just examples of ways that you can spend the money. That doesn't necessarily have to be in a selfish means. Some testimonials. And that's it. That's the bonuses. So if you've made it this far in the video, I want to thank you very much. And I would like to treat you with a extra free bonus just for you for sticking it out through this, all the way through the video and getting to this point. So to claim your free bonus from me, all you have to do is like this video and write down in the comments, "I am a warrior," and I will send you a free little something. I want to thank you for listening to my review. As I said, if Eezeytraffic is something that you would like to pick up, feel free to click the link below this video in the description box. All right, take care, everybody. All right, bye-bye.